Gonna do a quick demonstration of twin kick on the Amiga 1000. So the machine is booting up right now. Going to go ahead and put the twin kick disc in so it can load. So what it does is it loads the kickstart 1.3 image first. Then it actually proceeds to load the kickstart 3.1 image and does a crunching routine on the screen, and the screen will kind of do its little flipping thing. Then it shows like a little boot screen picture, and then it'll bring up the Workbench 3.1, I believe, by default. So it says twin kick. Functions of the mouse buttons are under 1.3. Left button does a vector clear. Both is a game mode, so 512K of chip and no fast. Then on the right, then you hold down the right mouse button, and it actually will switch to the other kickstart. So the right mouse button switches between the two kickstarts on a warm boot. And of course, under 3.1, you have the regular both mouse buttons for the early startup menu. So here we are with 3.1. And you can do a reset, hold down the right mouse button. And there's 1.3. This does require at least 512K of fast memory to work. But if you want to have any fast memory, you got to have at least 1.5 megabytes of memory for it to work. So as you can see here, I have 1.5 megs free. So I have 2 megs of fast memory on this machine. Do another reset. Hold down right mouse button. Hold down. Gotta hold down pretty quick when you do the reset. There we go. Let me do it again. And I'll show you the game mode on 1.3. So what you can do is when you reset, hold down both mouse buttons, and the screen should flash like that. That means it's in game mode, and you can put the disc in, and then it loads it with just the 512K chip memory. And that's it.